Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm going to make glazed Korean potatoes. So I'm using these small potatoes, about 1 pound. So all I do is I cut it in half. Okay. Then I'm heating up a skillet and I'm going to pour 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Swish it around. Okay. And now I'm going to put all the potatoes in, cut side down, and just brown them. Turn them over. Probably on medium high until it browns nicely. And this is the kind of potatoes they sell in the takeout delicatessens, especially in Hawaii, when you have the choice of all the different meats and vegetables, and this is one of them. And it's so delicious. Okay, just like this. And wait until it's golden brown. The potatoes are brown. Now I'm going to make the sauce. Half a cup of water, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, fresh. I always use fresh. The sauce is mixed. Now I'm going to just pour it all over the potatoes. Cover the potatoes until they're tender, probably about 10 minutes. Now you see all the sauce has evaporated and it's ready to go. I see the sauce just clinging onto the potatoes. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, mix it up. And then I'm going to pour it onto my platter. This looks really nice. Oh, good enough to eat. Serve this with a roast or your typical Korean foods. And now, just sprinkle some sesame seeds on it. Use your judgment. Maybe not that much. And there you have it, Korean glazed potatoes. And potatoes are perfectly done. As I said, you can test it with a toothpick, but 10 minutes was plenty. And for decoration, just a little bit of green onions. Now to taste it. It looks so luscious, beautifully brown, and the sauce soaked right in. Really yummy. Finger licking good. The skin is perfectly brown. You can bite it. The potatoes are soft and creamy, and you can taste all the sauce on the outside. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And mahalo for watching. See you again on the next video.